Hi, it's Barb again with all your plant-based recipes. Today we're going to be making a delicious dessert, tastes like candy but has no processed sugar and no dairy. Let's get started. So we're going to be taking our Medjool dates and we're going to be splitting them in half. We're taking the pits out and we're just going to be splitting them in half like that and placing them on the plate. So the next step is to put the peanut butter right into the center of the dates. Just like that. Next, we're going to be placing a walnut right into the center of the peanut butter. Just like so. Next, we're going to be putting the chocolate syrup that I homemade with no sugar right on the top. So here they are. This is so sweet, like candy, with no processed sugar and no dairy. They're just amazing, just amazing. They are like candy. You just have to make it and have to take a bite. I'm not even kidding you. Gonna pop the rest in the freezer so they'll be great frozen. Also, don't forget to click subscribe for the recipe. And please subscribe so that you'll get all my recipes. Thanks.